Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are making Sabur Luchi, a fried Indian bread made with tapioca pearls along with the side of Alu Pepper Curry. This is served as a Prasad or offering at Iskcon temples on the 11th day of the lunar month known as Ekadoshi. Let's get started. For the luchi, we will dry roast the sabudana on high heat for 5 minutes to make the sabu flour. This will make it easier to blend into powder since they will have no water content. Cool your sabudanas to the room temperature and blend them into fine sabu flour. To this, add ghee for shortening, rock salt, and crush in some carom seeds for the flavoring. Then add grated boiled potato as a binding agent for the dough. Mix all these ingredients and make a crumble. Then add warm water gradually and make a soft dough. The warm water makes the sabu flour absorb a lot of water and expand. After the dough is made, cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. After resting, add in some refined flour and mix it in with the dough. Since we used warm water to make the dough, we are adding the refined flour at this point to prevent the dough from becoming soggy and sticky. Divide the dough into small dough balls. Before rolling, apply some refined oil on the rolling surface. Then, gently roll your dough balls with your rolling pin. As you can see, the edges of the dough are cracked and uneven, which is unavoidable while using dough made with sabu flour. To make this presentable, we will use a bowl and cut a circle out of it. Don't roll out the dough too thin as it would be harder to handle without breaking. Then heat refined oil in a karai until it is smoking hot for deep fry. Then gently drop the rolled out dough into the hot oil. Deep fry your dough for 10 to 15 seconds and see your Sabur Luchi swell up majestically. As soon as they turn light golden, drain the excess oil in the kadhai and take them off. For the Alu Pepper Curry, heat some refined oil in a pan and add freshly crushed black pepper. Temper them on high flame for a few seconds and then add in diced potatoes. Fry the potatoes on high flame for a minute. Then add in 2 cups of water and some rock salt for taste. Cover and cook on low to medium flame for 5 minutes until the potatoes are cooked through. Then mash in some of the potatoes with a spatula to thicken the gravy. And there you have it, Sabur Luchi with Alu Pepper Curry, a dish that's steeped in tradition yet perfect for the modern palate. Subscribe for more such recipes and until next time, happy cooking!